Hey Bennett staff, I just wanted to get you a quick little tutorial here on how to create a self-graded quiz in Microsoft Forms. I've been using these, as you can see here, for my first couple lessons in Module 1. I've kind of looked at the problem set and exit ticket questions and then created a little quiz here for the students, and then I uploaded it to Schoology, and they're able to take the quiz right there in Schoology. So let's take a look at one of these. So here's one that I created for lesson 2. And how it works is you create a new quiz, or I'm sorry, yeah, a new quiz, and then these are the individual questions. So I'll just kind of scroll down so you can see what it looks like. So just 5, 6 questions. Doesn't have to be anything, crazy. I do like to put this as the first question, though. I would write your first and last name, and then all of my questions are required, so you do have to make sure that you put required here. I should have put 0 points for this one, but I was giving them a free point by getting their name right. And then all I did was click Add New. Now when you click Add New, it brings up these options. And then, so the first question was a text question where they had to actually physically write something in the blank. So this is what I chose for that one. But the rest of these are all multiple choice. So you can see if I click the multiple choice, I start writing the question. What is 493 in unit form? And then they have to come up with it. 4 tens, 9 hundreds, 3 ones, 4 hundreds, 9 tens, 3 ones, and then you can add an option as well. 9 tens, 3 hundreds, 4 ones. Okay. So then what you do is make sure you choose the correct answer. So the correct answer is obviously this one. Make sure this is chosen. Make sure you've assigned points to it and make sure it's required. Now once you do that, click on Add New, or it will show up that way. All right. Now I'm going to show you how to embed it in Schoology here in just a minute, but I want to show you some of the data that comes back from these. So if I click on Responses, I can click on Review Answers, and then I can look at individual scores. So you can see here that there's a point value. There's a point value here. There was 6 points. I got 5 points out of 6. So if I click here, I can see individual students, and I can see individually what they did right and wrong, and kind of go from there. So if I choose the different responses, I can go back and I can choose everybody that's responded. Also, what I like about it is it shows little graphs. So you can see right away, all right, everybody seems to get this one. 21 of them got it correct. All right, 25 of them got it correct here. 18 got them correct here. So you can kind of see the different things here. Okay. Now, when you're ready, when you send it to students, before you do that, you want to click on Share, and then there's a couple ways you can do this. You can copy the link and just put the link in it. I actually like to embed it. So if I come over here to this embed, I can embed it. So if I copy the embed code, it's kind of a neat little thing. If I can go over here to Schoology, so if I go to my Schoology section, and I click on Schoology, and my courses, and then I go to my section here. There's a section here where problem set exit ticket. I created an assignment, and then inside the assignment, if I go to my edits, you can see inside the assignment there's little buttons here, right here, where we can switch to HTML mode, and I pasted that embed code in the HTML code. Okay, now by pasting it in there, what it does is it brings it up directly in Schoology. So instead of going to a external source, or as it did it this time, it will show up this way. For some reason it didn't this time, but my students have been able to go right into that form, right in Schoology, and fill it out. Okay? Then once they fill it out, make sure they click submit, and you got yourself at least one grade there. So, and you get a good understanding of if they got your lesson at all. Okay? So I wanted to show that to you guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys.